enhance your capability, your personality, and overall exposure as well. And the global other countries other than India, that Indian people have low civic sense. In foreign we have many things to get patent. The level of exposure and teachers help us to patent ourselves. Even
I like to add one point that studying abroad gives you rational thinking, gives you exposure. It will explain, or it will give you kind of experience which India is somehow lacking. For example, when you study in abroad, you are more in creating skills, developing your personality. But if you look in India, we are more in developing your degrees.
We Indian provide listening thinker. We have the foreign educations. They are studying philosophy and spiritual studies.
This is the one of the most widely accepted and read ranking system in all over the world. And do you know that India is not able to secure even in top 10, even in top 50, even in top 100. And do you know who is dominating top 10 universities? Western countries.
As you give an example of those countries which are already developed, it is because of the mentality of the citizens that live there.
So you have
because see, problems are everywhere. It's up to us whether we have to, like we all have heard that necessity is the mother of generation. Right? So
Versus study at abroad is not a topic like India bad or foreign good story. It's about which education system actually convert their resources, hard earned money into the skills. And
your number is?
My number is 7. My number is 7. Yes. It's about which education system actually provides your employability and skills and global exposure. Like you can actually prove both side actually you can actually demonstrate both sides actually provide like good disappointment and success as well.
Only the skills.
Yeah.
You will definitely get the skills.
It means you are agreeing with my point.
No.
My number is
Excuse me, would you
One by one, please.
Just one by one.
Instead
Okay.
of skills, we have to face a lot of challenges. Like people who survive in the other countries, they have to face depression, anxiety, quarantine, aloneness, or they have to be a financial financially they have to be their family have to be fixed from all these things.
Or like they are facing depression, and they are facing a lot of difficulties, like they are not getting jobs. So what about those person, like they are about to go suicide? So what do you say about those people?
Studying abroad might seem a very lucrative option, but actually it's a very audacious decision to study abroad, because studying abroad comes with a very heavy cost of tuition fees and the accommodations. And it is not only limited to this. Lack of civic sense is not only limited to India but also in America.
And he talked about heavy cost about the education in a foreign country. But firstly, I need to tell him that education is not an expense; it is an investment. And what is the use of that cheap, useless education if you cannot get future opportunities like job? The quality of education, there is not proper facilities, the practical knowledge, the infrastructure for students. And if we talk about studying abroad, there are a lot of opportunities and infrastructure.
The problem in India is the implementation. If we see the NEP has come, but in four-year program has come in in graduation, but the implementation is lagging behind. If you see the universities, like if you take the example of Delhi University, they have lacking in the 4-year development program. They are not focusing on that.
Government of India is also supporting studying abroad. Government of India launched a lot of scheme, a lot of policy, like Ambedkar scheme. And recently Karnataka government launched his project on the study of studying abroad, right? So if you think studying abroad is not good, then why Indian government are supporting studying abroad?
We were going to talk about only an education system, right, in which we really want the cream points.
I'd like to add one point: flexible program. Western countries are providing flexible program like major and minor program training. So if they are from STEAM background, STEAM is science, technology, engineering and mathematics, then you will get extra 24 months of training.
Innovative products of our Indian education system, I would like to mention that BITS Pilani Institution
Two of the students of which Pilani institution has managed to create a GPS-less drone which can be used in warfare, and it is deployed in 4 classified Indian military bases.
India is at the expansion phase. They are making a lot of policies and nowadays, or it is going to be a number 3rd in a GDP. Instead of going to the another country or criticized by the others countries people, we have to stay or develop ourselves to do something.
Studying Indian people can become something like doctor, engineer, poet, cricketer, footballer, dancer, singer, advocate, lawyer, and so many jobs are available in India. Government can provide government schools, colleges and university for middle class people can study.
I really want to appreciate that you all did not hesitate to keep your point. भले ही वो थोड़ा बाहर चला गया था, but you did not hesitate and you all spoke very confidently. तो जिसको हम appreciate करना चाहते हैं, but since we are constrained to give only 3 prizes, so starting with the third, so the third prize goes to number 3.
Second prize, number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2 is voted to first prize goes to number 20.
Number 1. Number 6. Select. Number 8. And number 14. Number 14.
इनका पॉइंट बहुत डिफरेंट था जो किसी ने हाईलाइट
Highlight. So please clap your hands for the judges.
We have thousands of students in our academy.
True.
But यहाँ पर सिर्फ आप ही लोग हो. Why so? Because you people are special, right?
देखिए ये डिबेट कंपटीशन, स्पीच कंपटीशन, ये आपकी पर्सनालिटी को एनहांस करते हैं आगे चल के। यस रियली देखा जाएगा कि आप अपने कंट्री से कितना प्यार करते हैं। अगर आप खुद के देश से प्यार नहीं करोगे तो फिर आप उनके देश से कैसे प्यार करोगे?